Hello and welcome to my first video about Playwright. This video will be the first in the Learning Playwright with Java series on my channel. Playwright is an automation tool designed for modern web browsers and it's developed by Microsoft. You can also use it for web scraping and API testing. Playwright was forked from Puppeteer, which was developed by Chrome developer team. Puppeteer is a JavaScript library and supports Chrome and partially Firefox. It utilizes WebDriver ByD and Chrome Developer Tool protocol. However, Playwright currently does not have support for WebDriver ByD. These two frameworks have some key similarities and differences. Let's explore them. Regarding cross-browser support, Playwright offers support for multiple browsers such as Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit. In terms of its API, Playwright provides a more robust and feature-rich API, enabling more advanced automation scenarios. In terms of performance and reliability, Playwright is generally faster and more reliable, especially for complex automation tasks. Regarding language support, Playwright offers official support for JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, .NET, and Java, while Puppeteer primarily focuses on JavaScript. Some additional features I particularly like or that I mentioned earlier include automated screenshot and video recording. You can record test execution or capture screenshot while running your script. Network interception and mocking. You can throttle your network speed, simulate different network types like 3G, 4G, especially useful for mobile browser testing. You can also modify network scripts and simulate various network conditions. Accessibility testing. Uh, Playwright includes tool for accessibility testing, which you can utilize for this purpose. Record and playback. Playwright includes a tool that can generate test scripts by observing your interactions with the browsers. When comparing Playwright with Selenium, Selenium has a large community behind it, while Playwright is relatively new, being only 4 years old and backed by Microsoft. Also, when comparing language support, Selenium officially supports Ruby, while you can find community libraries for Ruby with Playwright. Regarding browser support, Playwright supports Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge, while Selenium supports Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and Internet Explorer. If you have a legacy project, Selenium might be the only option to automate your scenarios. Because, as I mentioned earlier, Playwright is designed for modern web browsers and primarily supports Chrome, Firefox, and WebKit. Both frameworks support headless testing. However, for waiting strategies, Playwright comes with automating, while in Selenium you need to explicitly define your waiting strategies. For parallel execution, Selenium requires additional libraries, while Playwright has built-in support. Both frameworks support cross-device testing and CI/CD integration. In terms of debugging tools, Selenium has limited support. However, if you use Playwright, you can have a Playwright Inspector as a debugging tool. Now, let's briefly focus on their architecture. In Playwright, the communication relies on WebSocket and the Chrome Developer Protocol. On connections initiate with a WebSocket and Playwright connects with browsers using CDP, Chrome Developer Tool. When we discuss WebDriver, the classical one, not WebDriver by D, communication involves HTTP requests, which are unidirectional between browsers and our automation tools. There is an additional layer of WebDriver, and it utilizes the W3 standard. Traditional HTTP communication is inherently slower due to its basic request response nature, whereas WebSocket utilizes a bidirectional connection for more efficient messaging. Selenium is developing a new driver called WebDriver ID to address to these performance issues. Thanks for this video. I will create new videos to automate and create new scenarios. Uh, Please leave your comment and thumbs up this video if you like. And thanks for your time.